I just want to close this trade in our presence. I just want to close this trade with you people. You understand? So I've been setting this limit, but it did not activate me. After I close this trade immediately, then I'll explain something to you guys quickly. So we are running off 67 now. So let me just close it. I did not even set any TP or any SL. I was just monitoring the whole thing because I lost the opportunity earlier. You get, this is where I supposed to enter. This is where I'm waiting to enter this place. But when I miss the opportunity, I just have to enter at this place. So let all of us close it together. And then I'll go to trading view and explain some few things to you guys. So I'm done closing it. So as you can see, since we close this trade together, at this point, I've not been I've not been trading, you understand? So when I want to close this trade at this point, I told you guys that I will close it at this place because it's going to fall down, you understand? So immediately when I close it, it fell down immediately, like, yeah, an aggressive move to the downside and gave us um a buy opportunity to the upside. So it finally hit TP today. How many days did it do before it hit TP, reach this level today? Well, this is 1, 2. Okay, this is 3 days. You get 3 days. So and the reason why I did not enter to the upside is because I don't want to overtrade. You get, so this thing has been giving us back to back winning. Like BTC is giving us really is doing us well. BTC is doing us well. So let's go to trading view so that I'll make you guys understand. Mm. So and the reason why I get out at this place is because I'm okay. Like the profit I see so far, I'm okay with it. That is why I went out. You understand? So let's go to trading view. Remember, I promise you people that I'll be telling you people everything concerning this trade, this BTC trade. This one is good. You understand? I'm not talking about gold now, but gold give us 300 pip from this place to this place. You understand? Let me Gold give us 300 pip from this place to this place. You understand? So and it respect this order again and start shooting up. So I'm not treating gold right now. So let's go to BTC. So CBTC. So for me not to overtrade, that is the reason why I did not took this trade. You understand? And then um so now see my initial explanation. My initial explanation was if initial explanation was if um what we are going to do is that when market was around this place before I close it this point and this aggressive move to the downside before going up finally. I was saying that if we will going to close it at this point. Why? Because it might what I'm anticipating then I'm saying that it might respect this trend line or break this trend line and start going up. You understand? That is my prediction that time. But it respect the trend line to the downside and then for us to see the whole thing very let me just go to 4 hour time frame so that we can see everything very well. So now as you can see on 4 hour time frame, this is what is really happening. It did not respect it at this place. This is what is really happening. So in 4 hour time frame, it break this place just to go and tap this liquidity at this point. This is resistant. This is support. I mean to say support become resistant. You get support become resistance. So the trend line, if you go to smaller time frame, it will give us a pullback at that place before finally look at the pullback at it. um Let me wipe this thing out. This is the trend line. This is a trend line. You get, this is a trend line that it has been respected, but when it reach this level, it break it, give us a pullback and go and tap this place immediately and to the downside. You get. So I promise you guys that I'll be keeping record of everything that is happening on this chart so that it will help all of us. You get, because I found BTC as an interesting pair now. It's a crypto, but the way it's doing us these days is very good. It's giving us a good pattern. You understand? And then I want to predict the next move of this pair. I might trade it or I might not. You understand? So if it come to this level, I want us to be looking for buy opportunity at this level. You understand? And make sure that if you are buying from this level, your SL should be below this, like exactly here. Let me mark it out very well. So if you are buying from this level, this is where your stop loss should be. I'll mark everything out very correctly so that a dino will not hear a dino. So now this is what I'm seeing. If you buy at this place, make sure that if you buy at this place, very soon it will activate the buying opportunity. If you are buying at this place, make sure that your stop loss should be at this level. You understand? Your stop loss should be at this level that I marked. Your stop loss should be let me call the number out. Your stop loss should be the market price is 86,000. Your stop loss should be 86,000. 86,110, 86,110, 86,110. Your stop loss should be 86,110, 86,110. This level, 86,100, 241, 90,241 or below that, this level or below that, 90,100. You understand? So um take note, take note. That is all I can say for now. And then let's see how it will play that. Let's see how it will play that. Very clean chart. Let's see how it will play that. Let's see how it will play that. And then let me clear this in so that we can see very well. For now, let's see how it will play that. So my main goal on this is to be watching the chart till when e finally break this place to the upside, finally break this place, break this zone, finally break this zone, go and tap this place, then we can see a massive long buyers or sellers. You understand? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Bye for now.